Good morning, dear aspirants. Today's news. ASPA extended for 6 months in parts of Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh, and Nagaland due to ongoing security concern. Comes under GS3 Internal Security. Recent developments in India's internal security framework highlight the ongoing challenges in balancing national security needs with the democratic values. ASPA Manipur coverage. ASPA remains across the state, excluding 13 police stations in 5 valley districts. Nagaland scope extension covers 9 districts and 21 police stations. Arunachal areas Trirap, Changlang, Longding district plus specific Namsai area declared disturbed. The Union Home Ministry decision reflects ongoing security concern in these strategically important border regions where insurgency and cross-border activities continue to pose challenge. Understanding AFSPA and origin and evolution. Enacted in 1958 for Naga Hills, AFSPA was later extended to other regions facing insurgency. The act gives special powers to armed forces in disturbed areas. For a decade, it has been applied in Nagaland, Manipur, Assam, parts of Arunachal Pradesh, and Jammu and Kashmir, with areas gradually withdrawn as violence declined. ASPA Special Powers Framework. Disturbed Area Declaration. Governor and central government can declare an area disturbed based on security assessment. Use of force authorization. Arrest and search power. Arrest without warrant based on reasonable suspicion. Destruction authority. Destroy arms, dumps, fortified position and or shelter used by insurgents. Legal immunity. No prosecution of security forces without prior central government sanction. AFSPA debate. Arguments in favor. Essential for counter-insurgency operations in hostile environment. Helps restore peace and normalcy in insurgency affected regions. Critical concern. Alleged human rights violation include fake encounters and custodial death, viewed as draconian and against democratic values. Creates atmosphere of fear and mistrust among civilians. Ex-ministers and environmentalists petition Supreme Court to review Char Dham road widening judgment, citing ecological damage and increased disaster. Comes under GS3 Disaster Management. Former ministers Murali Manohar Joshi and Karan Singh, along with environmentalists and scientists, have petitioned the Supreme Court. The appeal highlights growing concern about environmental damage, increased landslides and roadblocks in the ecologically sensitive Bhagirathi eco-sensitive zone and border roads leading to the India-China frontier. Supreme Court's Balancing Act. Initial restriction. Supreme Court limited road width to 5.5 meter following 2080 circular and environmental concern. Security exception allowed under 10 meter roads on 3 strategic stretches. Current review. New petition challenges the judgment, citing increased disaster and ecological damage. Char Dham balancing faith, security and environment. Religious tourism, strategic connectivity, environmental impact, large-scale deforestation, slope cutting and ecosystems destabilized in fragile Himalayan regions. Project scale and challenges. 900 kilometers, 12k crores, launched in 2016. The project includes 2-lane roads with paved shoulders, bridges, tunnels, bypasses and slope stabilizing measures. Border Road Organization executes the construction in challenging Himalayan terrain. The Indian Air Force formally decommissioned the MiG-21 fighter jets at a grand ceremony in Chandigarh, marking the end of Craft's nearly 60-year-long operational journey in India's defense history. GS3's internal security. Indian Air Force formally decommissioned MiG-21. Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh flew the final operational sortie Badal 3, while number 23 Squadron Panthers performed the last mission before the ceremonial switch off of 6 aircrafts. MiG-21 Okh's legacy. Service highlights include inducted in India in 1963, nicknamed Type 77, crucial role in 1971 war, Kargil conflict, Balakot airstrike. Safety concern over 400 MiG-21s lost in crashes since induction. 200 plus pilot fatalities. Here did the flying coffin nickname. High accident rate due to aging platform. IAF's modernization challenge current squadrons 29 IAF strength MiG-21 60 years of service 42 authorized strength. Please practice this mock question. Thank you.